Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I'm so excited to share with you my first ever unboxing. It's gonna be a Chanel unboxing, obviously. So if you might remember, I took a poll, I would say maybe 2 weeks ago, and I asked you guys which bag to get. So we were in New York for 3 days and we did all the Christmassy things, and then we went shopping as well, and this is what I got. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing process. It's so exciting. So the first thing that we got was these earrings, and they're so dainty, they're so darling. They had different options. There were some that were a little smaller, but I was afraid you couldn't see them. But then I didn't want the ones that were too big and too flashy, especially for my first pair. So this one is like a white and kind of gold detail on it. It's so pretty and so dainty. It actually can go with like my current outfit too. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you my second one, which is like my favorite. And you guys actually helped me pick this out. So I took a poll on Instagram, and I don't want to give it away, but I will say that I listened to you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. You ready? So, this one is actually a medium-sized bag, and it's like, they call it a classic, and I think this is everyone's first go-to bag. That's what the guy at the store told me. Like, if I had to pick a bag, go with this because it's my first Chanel bag. And on here it's caviar leather. I don't know if you can see the detail, but it has little dots on there. I was on the fence about this and like the very, very smooth one, but I was told that the smooth one, I think it's called just regular lambskin leather, and that one scratches up easily, and even when you try to repair it, it's just not as good as it was before. So I went with this because I'm also very, very bad at taking care of expensive things, and I figured I can just wear this around. I don't have to like stress about ruining it. Let me show you what's on the inside and the detailing of it as well, so you guys can see, because it does fit quite a bit of things. So on the inside, we have a flap right here, and then the main pocket, which has little spots for credit cards. You can fit your phone charger, and there's also a zipper right here that does nothing. So that's for show. We're gonna just ignore that. So you can kind of carry it like this, you can carry like this. I don't think there's another strap in here. Yeah, this is it. This is the only chain that goes with it. But yeah, this is the big purchase and my first ever Chanel bag. Okay, so one tip that I learned is, so this is the camellia. This is their signature flower. You can ask the guy that, or whoever helped you out, you can ask them to get extra flowers, and you can use them as like little decor pieces in your closet. There's extra ones in this bag, and then I think there's more. Oh yeah, we did, oh my gosh, we asked for a ton more. Look, and they're so cute. They have little, you can just rip off the back and it just sticks to like drawers, wherever you want to put it, in your bedroom, your bathroom, and it just makes it a little decor piece, and it's so stinking cute. So it's just a little something you can add to your purchase, and they love doing little things like that. And there you go. That's my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You'll probably be seeing this bag a lot along with my earrings. I just realized there's junk everywhere. We're just going to toss away and away. There you have it. The 2 purchases we made, and you guys, I am obsessed. You will see this bag quite a bit on my feed. I'm gonna wear it all the time, especially since it's caviar leather. If you don't have a Chanel bag and you plan to get one, or you want one, or you're gonna get one as a Christmas present, then I would suggest asking for the caviar leather if you're like me, and I shouldn't have nice things because I mess them up all the time. So this one you can kind of wear all day, all night, and you don't have to worry about messing it up, and these earrings are just so dainty. I will link everything down below for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and of course, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and we will chat soon. Bye!